Dahil sa hiling ng mga 18 Thailand, narito na nga at magkakaroon ng concert ang SB19 doon sa Bangkok. So kasali na nga sa simula at wakas World Tour ang Bangkok Central World Live Central World 8 FL November 2, 2025, 6 p.m. ICT stage. Well, ito po ang price ng ticket. Ang ticket po ay nasa 5,500, price level 1. Price level 2, 4,500 THB or Thai baht. Price level 3, 3,500. Livination pre-sale starts September 18, public sale September 19. Ticket starts at 3,500 baht. Get your ticket at livinationtero.com.ph. Sabi nga nung mga fan, well, siguradong excited na ang lahat makabili ng nasabing ticket. Samantala, excited din ang mga 18 fans at siguradong magiging busy na naman dahil dalawang nominasyon meron nga ang SB19 ngayon. Sabi ni AOG Moderators, alam kong may darating na grasya, another one nominations for P-Pop Kings SB19 at the Break to the Awards 2025. Voting will start tomorrow, September 18. Let's make sure to give time for both voting and win. Samantala, may kwento naman ang isang 18. A few days ago, I rewatched Ken's Time first episode and it really stuck with me when he said he had so much faith that this world tour would lead to something greater. He mentioned that the feeling was different this time and now we can all see happening. This is it, Mahalima. The world tour just keeps on going or growing. More dates, more venues, more opportunities to share your music and passion with the world. Grabe, nakaka-proud, truly strike while the iron is hot. We can all feel how much you work hard for this and it's so inspiring to witness your journey. Buti na lang talaga you never give up. Your perseverance, dedication, and love for your craft inspire us 18 every single day. SB19, thank you for reminding us that dreams are worth fighting for. More power to you and tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa pag-abot ng mas malaking pangarap. Anyway, sa mga nagtatanong po kailan ang botohan sa nasabi nga pong nominasyon ng SB19 sa Break Tudo Awards, bukas po yan, kaya naman tumutok lang po for more info. Yan po ang ating Showbiz Snap Update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.